Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today I am going to discuss the next topic of class 10, which is the chemical equilibrium. Before starting the chemical equilibrium, let's discuss its basic concepts. What is the chemical reaction and what is its types? What is the types? First one, what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction basically a process in which new substances are formed from the old substances. Meaning chemical reaction, a process in which new substances are formed from the old substances. What is the new substance? What is old substance? The old substance is called reactant and the new substance is called product. What is reactant? What is product? Reactant means starting point, product means ending point. Now define the chemical reaction, a process in which new substances mean product are formed from the old substance, meaning the reactant. Reactant are those substances in which chemical changes occur are called reactants, and product are those substances in which formation of new substances are formed are called products. Now chemical reaction have two basic types. First one, the reversible reaction. The second is the irreversible reaction. As the name indicates of the reversible reaction, the reaction which can proceed into two directions. The first one direction is the forward direction and the reverse direction. Now define as a reaction which can proceed into two directions. First one is the forward direction and the second is the reverse direction. Forward direction means the left to right conversion and the reverse direction means the conversion of right to left. Now its important points, the main characteristic and the main properties of the reversible reaction are: reversible reaction always occur in the closed container. First one. And the second one, reversible reaction denoted by a double arrow. The first one arrow for the forward and the second one arrow for the reverse direction. Now the last one important points of the reversible reaction is reversible reaction cannot be completed, never be completed. Why they are cannot be completed? Because due to the establishment of a dynamic equilibrium. What is dynamic equilibrium? Dynamic means motion and or still continuous. What is dynamic equilibrium? A process in which the rate of evaporation become equal to the rate of condensation, but the concentration of reactant and product are still constant, are called dynamic equilibrium. Now example of its general example is A plus B, also called reactant, converted into the C plus D, also called product. First one of is called forward direction and second is called reverse direction. Forward direction also called evaporation, the conversion of liquid into gas state, and the reverse direction also called condensation, the conversion of gas state into the liquid state. Now the specific example is nitrogen gas react with hydrogen gas to form ammonia, NH3. So the first one is evaporation and the second one is a condensation. So again define reversible reaction, a reaction which can proceed into two direction. First one direction is forward direction and second is the reverse direction. Now start the second topic, which is the irreversible reaction. A reaction which can proceed into one direction, only one direction. The one direction means only forward direction. Conversion from left to right. The important points, the main characteristics and properties are: irreversible reaction always occur in the open container. The second option denoted by a single arrow. And the third one is completed because all the reactant must be converted into the products. So now start again in all the topics in one sentence. First one is a chemical reaction. Types. First one, reversible reaction, irreversible. What is chemical reaction? A reaction, a process in which reactant combine to form product. Yeah. Or process in which new substances are formed from the old substance is called chemical reaction. The first one type is reversible reaction, a reaction which can proceed into two direction. First one is the forward direction and second is the reverse direction. Now the second is a reverse direction, a reaction which can proceed only one direction, which is called irreversible reactions.